Kigomano giki kiria gitanyitwo guthie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thikũ igĩrĩ kirehete hamwe arimi a kahũa, ataramu a watho, abunge na magavana kuma icigo ciothe iria ikũragia kahũa niguo kwarĩrĩria mogarũrũku maria mabatie gukinyanirio sekta-ini ĩno na muoroto wa kũguna arimi. Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura kigomano giki kaunti-ini ya MERU, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua augite kwa ihinda iraya arimi a kahũa matikoretwo nundu wa kwirahira urimi-ini uyu uria hindi imwe wari kiguciririo kuri andu aingi.
A membership number of a cooperative society was much more credible than a banker's check today, because coffee had returns and it is working. It was working. We saw it work. We went to school through coffee proceeds, and today we are here. If it worked then, it must work now.
Gachagua augite mubango wa thirikari ni gutigirira arimi ni magia na umithio, akiuga gitumi kinene kia arimi gukorwo magikinyirwo ni maitika ona thengia ya wira muingi ni gukorwo kuri na TURIA NIME na broker thuguri-ini ya kahũa.
I want to make an announcement to all those people who have been living on the sweat of the coffee farmers that what you have gotten is enough and is sufficient. You can reinvest it elsewhere. Going further, you must get just what is due to you. A little percentage, 90-95% must go to the coffee farm.
Umwe wa maundu maria mabatie gukinyanirio kigomano-ini giki ni mitaratara ya wendia wa kahũa thoko-ini cia munara guku bururi-ini oro undu umwe na thoko cia nja ya bururi.
Even from my ministry, we have got the commodity exchange and we are fast tracking it. We have set ourselves a target of next month so that the commodity exchange will be the first parallel coffee auction that we are going to have. So that at least we can compare. Mtu achague, do you want to be in that exchange or this other exchange?
We won't be able to pick out what is required of each part of government, whether it's the national or the county government, to be able to bring back our farmers to the farms. What we can be able to do to ensure there is high yield, there is quality of the coffee that we require, that will be able to fetch us good markets.
Medekithia maria megukinyanirio kigomano-ini giki matanyitwo kurehe ugaruruku munene thiini wa watho wa wendia wa kahũa. Gachagua akihinyiriria abunge kunyita mbaru mubango wa thirikari na njira ya kwarira mitaratara igwete.
I want to request, and I'm happy the majority leader Kimani Ichung'wah is here, that kindly let us agree that between the Senate where the bill is and the National Assembly, in the same way we expedite important government business, that you are surely going to make this a priority going forward.
Because the answer is known. Where the problem is known. But we just need guts to make sure that we do what is rightful for the coffee farmers in this republic.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
Our mantra is making MERU